Terrance Brothers TK, return to the pause squats. Ooh, first set. Get your first set out the way. Get your first set out the way. Let's go. Get it up. Get it up. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Two more. Two more. Two more. Let's go. One more. Let's go. And drop. Woo! Super heavy pause squats today, boy. Let's go. I won. Let's go. Two more. Last one. While we're here, give it up. Strength Brothers TK, Terrance Kareem, just finished a heavy set of pause squats. How you feel about today, man?
Man, I said before, I say it again, I feel like a broken record, but man, I hate them pause squats, man. They destroy your body. Like, it takes so long to recoup after them, but what do you think?
Yeah, man, they were freaking ridiculously heavy today. We only did one set just to make sure everything, no injuries or nothing, because they was heavy, man. I'm not gonna lie, form was kind of loose, and it was just heavy. So save it back for when we start over our cycles, starting this meet prep pretty soon, and gonna go back to light and build our way up towards the meet, and we see what happens from there.
Yeah, man. My set of 425 pause squats, when my set got cut off at the end, I did like 10. So mine got cut off. Right? So yeah.
Man, those things hurt your soul. So when you go down, your soul gets hurt. Forget your nervous system, your soul is directly affected.
I don't care what's going on in your day. Once you take that down for a pause, you forget it. You straight. You in the moment. You dialed in.
But definitely, man. Look for us next week. We should be switching up training soon, getting our numbers calculated when we want to start off and end up for the meet coming up in June.
Yep.
So stay tuned to us.
Yeah, and I want to thank all our new subscribers, man. Thank you for subbing. We appreciate it, man. And while you subbing, make sure you check out our brothers in the iron. And thank you, man. Thanks a lot. We appreciate it.
And thanks to Stevana Big, I think I said your name right, for the shout out the video. Really appreciate it. It means a lot to us.
Yep, man. Appreciate that, man. That was cool.
Doing, man.
That was cool, man. I love that shout out. Thank you. And like always, man, make sure you
subscribe.
Make sure you look for us on Twitter. Make sure you look for us on Google+, Instagram, Facebook. Look for us everywhere. Check out those Sting Week t-shirts. And like always, make sure you train like an animal, baby.